Unit 3 End of Unit Assessment. Question 1. There are 15 pieces of fruit in a bowl, and 6 of them are apples. What percentage of the pieces of fruit in the bowl are apples? A. 0.06%, B. 0.4%, C. 6%, D. 40%. Question 2. Select all the trips that would take 2 hours. A. Drive 60 miles per hour between Buffalo and Seneca Falls, which are 120 miles apart. B. Walk 3 miles per hour to school, which is 1.5 miles away. C. Take a train going 80 miles per hour from Albany to New York City, which are 160 miles apart. Question 3. Lynn's family has completed 70% of a trip. They have traveled 35 miles. How far is the trip? A. 24.5 miles, B. 50 miles, C. 59.5 miles, D. 200 miles. Question 4. A ship captain is mapping a trip and wants to know the distance the ship will travel over certain time intervals. Time in hours, distance in miles. 0.5, 12.5, 1, 25, 1.5, 37.5. Assuming that the ship travels at a constant speed, what is its speed? Question 5. Which weighs more? A watermelon that weighs 7.5 kilograms or a baby that weighs 12 pounds? Explain your reasoning. Note, 1 pound is about 0.45 kilograms. Question 6. Elena and Jada are 12 miles apart on a path when they start moving towards each other. Elena runs at a constant speed of 5 miles per hour, and Jada walks at a constant speed of 3 miles per hour. How long does it take until Elena and Jada meet? Question 7. Lynn runs 5 laps around a track in 6 minutes. A. How many minutes per lap is that? B. How many laps per minute is that? C. If Lynn runs 21 laps at the same rate, how long does it take her?